My name is Edward Ihi, and I was born in a city called Chongqing in southwest China, which only has a population of about 31 million. The company I'm working for is GE, General Electric, and my role is an advanced manufacturing engineer in the aerospace division. I think my job covers a broad range of engineering aspects, from production support to the production failure analysis. But also working for GE, a global company, I also have had opportunities to travel different parts of the world. I've worked in the US, I've worked in China, and one of the greatest things I found is working with people from all over the world. You really broaden in your experience, and you learn different cultures, you learn different skills, and then by mixing with different people, that helps you improve your career as well. The reason why I chose UK for my higher education is because UK has a widely recognised higher education system. The quality and the depth in the knowledge for the UK higher education in general are world recognised. And specifically for Birmingham, we all know that Birmingham is at the heart of where the Industrial Revolution started. So all those inspirational stories I've learned when I was at a really young age all inspired me to take this step forward. And we also know the education quality from Birmingham University is also one of the best in the UK. The research and the teaching quality, and in addition, Birmingham also has one of the largest Chinatowns in the world. So all the reasons together, I couldn't find another reason for me not to study in Birmingham. What I've enjoyed the most from Birmingham is there are so many things you can do in the university. Either it's in the student union, or you fancy a bit of gym or swimming. They have everything you need. Even the supermarket now selling Chinese noodles. But also, Birmingham University is a truly international university. It has students from all over the world, and you do have the opportunity from really young age to be able to mix with people from other cultures, from other religions, and from that young age, you then learn how to respect people, how to communicate to people, how to get your message across. I think certainly for myself, I don't think I would have any of that experiences if I have not studied in Birmingham. For the degree I studied in Birmingham, it wasn't easy, and especially for an international student, you do have that cultural difference and also the language barrier. I think those two are the main challenges I faced through my study in Birmingham. But the support we have from the university, the professionalism from the teachers, the staff, and all the way through the IT facility, the library facility. The University of Birmingham has transferred my life. I came to the UK when I was 18 years old at a really young age, didn't really know what the world is like. I think having studied at Birmingham, I had the experience of talking to people from other parts of the world at different grades of the education process. And from that moment, I had ambition and to finish my degree successfully, and then from that moment I wanted to start engineering career in the UK as well. And the course from Birmingham is not just about academic qualifications, but from the very beginning it also gave you that responsibility to take charge of your own path. My degree from Birmingham has helped me in many ways for my professional career. And first of all, it is a really widely recognised engineering qualification, has been accredited by a number of professional bodies in the UK, and which are really important for young students or young professional for starting your career. And secondly, what I've learned from Birmingham is we have to take in charge of our study, our career, and we have to make that step ourselves. I think the encouragement and the positive messages I've received throughout my course in Birmingham, that was also a big bonus. The best thing about my job is every day is different. If you are doing a business-related career, and then you may have a routine day-to-day work. But one thing for engineering and manufacturing is every day can be completely different. You may see me wearing this coat and during experiments in the lab, or sometimes you may see me sitting back at the office and then checking some programming codes. And also we do work with people from all over the world, and engineering is a universal language. You don't need to speak German or Chinese in order to communicate with engineers from other parts of the world, because we all understand the engineering language. And I think that's one of the beauty of being a professional engineer. From my experience, and the advice I'd like to give to international students are, during your study, you have to prepare yourself, not just from the academic aspect, but also try to engage with voluntary work, with charity work, and even if you have the spare time, take a part-time job, because what would make you difference other than academic qualification is those experiences.